Oh, welcome back. Today we will learn to say have something. Or do you have a car? Do you have a children? Or have a work? Ma leedahay gaari ma leedahay? Do you have a ha? Yes, gaari ma leeyahay. I do have a car. Yes, I do have a car. Waxaan leeyahay gaari. That's an statement. I own a car. Let's go next page. Gaarigaygu waa gaari cusub. Gaarigaygu waa gaari cusub. My car is a brand new car. Guri miyaad leedahay? Do you have a house? Guri miyaad leedahay? Do you have a house? Yes. Ha. Yes. Guri waan leeyahay. I do have a house. Sometimes that it use also apartment. Guri, it will be same. Gurigayga wuxuu ku yaalaa bartamaha magaalada. My house, gurigayga, it's located town. My house, it's located in the middle of the town. Or my house, it's in downtown. Some words: guri, house, gari, car, farm. It's written, it's like pier, but it's not. It's farm in Somali. And also the same written can be a liver, but we will take this one now as a farm. It pronounced like bear farm. Shaqo, work. Arur, children. Has, wife. Passport, passport. Duksi, school. Ask someone. Guri ma leedahay? Do you have a house? Gaari ma leedahay? Do you have bear ma leedahay? House. Shaqo ma leedahay? Do you have a work? Or for example, shaqo ma leedahay maanta? Do you have a work today? Arur ma leedahay? Do you have children? Has, wife. Has, do you have a wife? Passport. Do you have a passport? Passport ma leedahay? Duksi. Duksi ma leedahay? Do you have school today? If we added manta. So that's some words and some sentence that I did want to share. Until that we meet next time. Goodbye.